Hi guys, and welcome to House of Mercier. Today we have a fantastic video on a new product that we have developed based on the Photoframes. We decided to jump onto something new. So now what we're doing is some doubles. We cannot do the doubles on all of the moldings that we have, but we have selected some of them in order for you to have double frames. So as an example, what we are doing is we're doing the same frame on, as an example, this is a 1520 that we can do with, in this case, 4x6, that we can do with the same molding as the regular one only frame. So in this case, what we have done is take out the support on the back, the leg, and it will stand by itself like the other sizes as well. Also, what we have done is we have put them together with a strap of leather that goes all the way from the top to the bottom on the photo frame. The rest of the piece will be done the same as we do the other ones. The fantastic thing, as you know, is the backs are totally finished in leather as well. So if you want to put it on top of a table or facing the back of the frame on a piano or something like that, this is the way that it will look. So it will be looking as a finished furniture. These moldings, the ones that we've been doing, is the 1520 and the 15, which is this one, which is a little more reddish. But we can do them in the different colors as well. We have been doing also some custom colors for specific customers, particular colors like universities and things like that, or towns as well. I mean, this is a new option on the photo frames that you might like. So you can see them on the social media, Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. Also visit us on the website, which is www.houseofmercier.com. And don't forget, imagine it original.